Here's Esti app aesthetic photo filters, presets for pictures editor, so you can just tap to install it. So pretty popular app, easy, an app that makes creating beautiful Insta-worthy content easier, the essential toolkit for those with taste but very little time. Get it to create something consistently appealing, aesthetic, and authentic. Batch editing, filters, film effects, adjustments, touch-ups, overlays, videos. There's Esti Pro subscription. So, just the app for another set of Instagram filters. But this app has quite few interesting filters where you can just add it like that. As you can see, yeah, if you're adding this additional nice filter, so you just create there's a lot onboarding. And then you just have so 3-day free trial, then $6 per week, or yearly $40 per year. So that's the idea. Yearly no trial, weekly 3-day free trial. Some apps only have weekly and free trial on yearly, and this app has it vice versa, so that's just how they decide. But then there is a one-time offer, 96% forever, so you can have $15 per year. So this is just for you to see. There is 3-day free trial, $15 per year deal here. So if you if you do not upgrade on the first screen, then you have this nice offer. This is just for you to know in here. So, but here is, I guess, like there is a limited free version. Let's see what it can do. So for example, if I just have some photo in here, so that's the idea. I can then just select it, and then I just want to add it. Then I can add all these kind of filters, and a lot of these filters are Crown premium filters. Then there is all of these paid filters, all of these contrast filters. You can add text. So I mean, this is just like another combination of filters. I guess this app really has some super creative filters. That's what it's good at. Super easy to use, just nice set of filters, which you can set it up and use. So yeah, that's basically the idea of what you can try out in here. Then you can see just a nice overview what people are creating with this app. And then just have nice templates and have the overview of different templates. You have really cool collection what you can use in here. So that's basically what it is. So there you have it. As you can see, quite nice. That's the app, simple to use, quite cheap if you use this offer, and yeah, nice. Try it out.